Infrared's going to struggle in anything under 60 degrees. Doesn't matter what brand it is. Some of them out there will say, oh, you don't have to worry about ours because it gets to 170 degrees and all this nonsense. That's a load of crap. So it's all about the temperature swing. So it takes a certain amount of energy. The sauna works off of a fixed power supply. Like, it's not a variable. You don't just increase the current to the sauna. The outlet that it's hooked up to is not making more power just because the sauna needs more power. So it's established that you're on a fixed power supply. So there's only so much power on tap. When you stick it in an environment, it takes a lot of energy to go from 50 degrees to 150 degrees. That's a 100-degree temperature swing. Versus somebody in Florida, I don't know, maybe it's 90 degrees outside. You keep the AC at 78, 76 in the house. It takes far less energy to go from 76 to 150 than it does to go from 48 degrees to 150. And so they struggle. And then, I know I always say that the air temperature in the infrared sauna doesn't matter, but for you to feel heat in a snow climate, it's got to at least get warm in there. Otherwise, it's not working correctly.
Yeah.
So up north, if you have an unheated basement and it's going to be 45 degrees in there, you're never going to heat it. The sauna is not going to perform in stock form. Now, you have a couple choices. You could still do an infrared. Inside the Facebook group, I show you a couple methods on how to modify them. You can put additional heat in the ceiling. You just drill a hole and mount a second heater in the sauna. What that will do is help with the preheat time because it's so cold in the environment. Any infrared sauna that you stick in cold like that is going to struggle because the temperature swing is too far. You need more available heat on tap in order to counteract that. And then for people who are in freezing or below freezing, you got to go with something more extreme. If you're going to put it outside, no infrared sauna is going to work, super great unless it's an outdoor sauna that has insulated walls, not tempered glass, but double pane windows, and some type of weatherproof roof, because you can't have any moisture get down in there or the electronics. So these companies that sell indoor saunas and you just put a cover on it, absolutely not, especially not in a snow climate. They're not going to work. They won't last. You could go to something more extreme like a barrel sauna that is a wood burner, which has a wood stove inside. You stoke it, it's going to be a 2-hour heat up time, kind of isn't fun. But they'll get super, super hot no matter how cold it is. You could do the same with dry electric or steam. Again, very long preheat time compared to having a modified infrared in the basement. The far infrared saturation on your body, there's so much far infrared. And there's that heater in the bench that I showed you on the FLIR camera. Mm-hmm. And then you got the heaters in the front. Basically, when you're in there, you're wrapped in far infrared. So it's basically like having a heat gun on you on all sides.
Oh, that's why it got so hot so quick.
Yeah, it's not about the air temperature that's inside. Because, it's not that... it's warm in here, but it's not that cold. Mm-hmm. It's about that far infrared that you see in the FLIR camera that's coming in contact with your body on all sides, though. So there's nowhere for your body to dissipate the heat.
So if there's something that you like from today's video or you're looking for more resources, at certifiedsaunas.com on the homepage, there's recommended sauna resources. If you're looking for a brand, a size, a model, reviews, installation videos on how to put them together, we have step-by-step tutorials that show you how to receive a sauna, how to prep your house for it. We're trying to make it as easy as possible for you so you don't have to wade through 4 hours of YouTube video to find the exact thing that you're looking for. But a lot of times in these episodes, I'll mention sauna hats, sauna accessories, different types of electrolyte supplements. If you want to put an infrared sauna in a cold basement or unheated garage, there's accessories or additional supplemental heat that you can add to it. If you continue down, you'll find everything that you're looking for that we've mentioned today. In addition to certifiedsaunas.com, you can go to the Facebook group, which is the Certified Sauna community on Facebook. It's our sauna group. There's no hardcore pitching. There's thousands of members in there that offer really, really, really good advice. I learn from them every day. I'm also contributing and answering questions in there every day. In addition to that, you can go to the Amazon store. A lot of people have requested on where to buy sauna towels, sauna hats, different various supplements, minerals, electrolytes. Now we have all this in one place on various lists on this Amazon store. So you can go to this one link and everything will be right there for you. See you in the next video.